Welcome to the channel. As the world pushes toward renewable energy, one question looms. How do we store all that power efficiently? While lithium-ion batteries have been the go-to for years, a new contender is emerging: thermal batteries. Could these heat-based systems be the future of energy storage? Stick around to find out why thermal batteries could soon replace lithium-ion technology and revolutionize the way we store energy. Wind and solar power are becoming the cheapest and most accessible forms of energy we've ever known. But there's a catch. Renewable energy is intermittent. The sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow. So, how do we store this abundant, clean energy for when we need it most? Introducing thermal batteries. Instead of storing energy as electricity like traditional lithium-ion batteries, thermal batteries store excess energy as heat. This heat can be stored in materials like bricks or graphite, reaching temperatures over 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And when it's time to use the energy, it's released as heat to power industries or even the grid. Why are thermal batteries a game changer? For starters, they can store more energy at a fraction of the cost of lithium-ion batteries. Rondo Energy, a leader in this technology, uses raw materials like bricks made from clay. A pound of brick can store more energy than a pound of lithium-ion battery, and at less than 10% of the cost. Rondo Energy has already built its first commercial heat battery in California. This system stores solar energy during the day and delivers high-temperature heat 24/7, and by 2027, Rondo plans to scale up to produce 90 gigawatt-pounds annually, potentially cutting 12 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions each year. That's like taking 4 million gas cars off the road. Thermal batteries offer a scalable, cost-efficient solution to renewable energy storage. They're clean, efficient, and have the power to transform entire industries. The road to replacing lithium batteries won't be easy, but as demand for green energy increases, thermal batteries are poised to lead the way. Subscribe now for more insightful videos on groundbreaking technologies.